a shield wall to protect the sacred space. Frey. Vrouw. Freyr. Yngve Frey. King of the Swedes. Ruler of Alfheim. Son of Njord. And brother to Freya. Hostage to the Aesir after the Aesir-Vanir War. We call upon you on this Alpha Blot. Hail Yngve Frey.
Hail Frey.
Hail Frey.
Frey, welcome. We ask that you bless this offering so that we may take it internally and externally, that we may wear your blessings and become all that is fertility and goodness. Your name, Fro, means glad, and we are... We know from the lore and the history that you were most beloved in the Northlands a millennia ago and even before. We understand why. We think about our ancestors and the things that they held dear, and those instincts are still in us. We still hold those same things dear. Time with our family, a full belly, a warm fire. Those are the things that drove us to find new lands, to find new people, and to create larger and larger families. I remember when I was a child. Hail Frey. Is there any other work to be performed?
Over here.
Yes.
Would you please kindly bless my mortar and pestle, as well as my new phone?
As I bless this tool of medicine, I ask Eir to shine down with her blessings, that it be a tool of healing and of right, and help get Sigurd back on his feet again. Hail.
Hail.
And with Eir's presence, please bless this mobility aid, that he never falters, that he never stumbles, and he always arrives safely wherever he is headed. Hail.
Hail.
I would like my old cat blessed. You know, I've had this cat for a while now, and I finally came up with a name for my spirit guide.
Ah,
So, I'll be calling him Pangerbon.
Pangerbond. Does that have a meaning?
It means the fuller. A cat with fur so white it glows in candlelight.
Pangerbond, to be Leaf's ever strong companion through this world and all the other ones. May this cup seal the bonds of friendship, and may it also hold the luck, all the magic and bloats that we've had. May this bowlie hold all the luck of all the bloats and all the fun and kinship that we've had. May it live on. May it serve not only the people of this kindred, but all the people around who require that kind of aid that we're able to provide for them. Hail.
Hail.
Is there any other work to do? Frey, and all the gods who have been summoned here today, or who came willingly to hang out with your favorite kindred in Midgard. And Eir, for coming to help our Sigurd. We ask you all to have a safe journey home, to enjoy your travels, and to inform all the other supernatural creatures that you come in contact with on your way home that there are still good people here in Midgard that honor the old ways, honor the old gods, honor each other as kith and kin, just as we did 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000 years ago. We love you and we bid you a farewell and a safe journey home.